Game of Thrones time, Game of Thrones time, Game of Thrones time, Game of Thrones time.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you, and it is including the new Game of Thrones palette, and I've got a couple of other bits from the collection. As soon as I saw that this was a thing, I think it was on Temptalia. Oh my god, I freaked out. I love Game of Thrones. Ryan and I watch it all the time. By the time I get this video up, the first episode has been aired, so what did you guys think of the first episode? I'm so excited about the last season, but it's a bit annoying that there's only 6 episodes in the series. Once it's finished, I'll probably just rewatch them again. So let's just talk about the palette for a little minute. That's what it looks like. I do have pictures on my blog that I will link below and put up here. The palette just opens up. It looks a bit like a book the way that they've done it. It opens up here, and before I blind you, it's just got a little quote here from Daenerys, and then this was the thing that blew me away. Had to have it. Could not live my life without this palette, because it's got a 3D Iron Throne in it. How cool is that? And then it's got another little quote by Tyrion Lannister. The actual eyeshadows pull out here, and it is fully detachable, so you don't need to work from this big thing because it is quite clumpy, but I like it. I don't care if it's not travel friendly. I will make it fit in my suitcase if I go anywhere. That's what the eyeshadow palette looks like. There's 20 shades, and I think it retails for £45 if I'm not mistaken. It's actually a little bit overwhelming looking at all the shades, trying to decide what look I was going to do. So we're just going to wing it and see what happens. The other things I got in the collection were a lipstick and a eyeshadow. I did want the white eyeliner, but they were already sold out within minutes of me going on the website. So I just got the black one that's got like a purpley sheen, and it's called Dragon Smoke. Again, there's a swatch of this on my website. And the lipstick I got was called White Walker, and it's a comfort matte, and it's just like a dark plummy red. It's really nice. So I'm gonna wear, hopefully do something that matches this lipstick. Without further ado, let's get started on this look. Okay, so for the transition shade, I'm just going to use House of Lannister, which is this one right here, and I'm going to get this on a little thin blending brush. The colours blend in really nicely, just like you would expect an Urban Decay shadow. Next, I think I'm going to take so many colours to choose from. I'm going to pick House of Targaryen, which is this one here. I'd really like to try another look that's maybe using the blue from this blue here. I really want to try that at some point, but I'm just a little bit scared to push the boat out at the moment. I'll maybe do it another day. So we're just playing it safe. I know for definite I want to use this White Walker in my inner corner, so we're going to do that first and then take it from there. That maybe doesn't match, but it doesn't matter. I think I'm going to darken the outer half of my eye with Winter is Here. I've just put Nymeria in my crease because I feel like the colour works a little bit better than House Lannister for the colours I've ended up using. And then this is a little bit of Winterfell on top of my mobile lid. That shadow is a little bit, has a little bit fallout. I'm just going to get a clean shader brush and put a bit of Nymeria under my lower lash line and join it up with the top colour. I'm going to get my eye pencil in Dragon Smoke and do the lower waterline with that. Apologies if I miss the frame when I'm doing it. Okay, I thought the makeup look was a bit of a fail after I applied that Dragon Smoke, just I didn't feel it matched, but I think I've managed to make it work. So all I've done is put a little bit of Casterly Rock under my eye, and in the inner corner I put in a mixture of House Targaryen and Hard Home, and that's what it looks like. I am going to, there's quite a bit of fallout, so I'm going to clean that up, put some eyeliner on and mascara, and then I'll come back to you for the lip. Well, it's been one of those makeup days where nothing is going right. Oh my god, I nearly scrapped this idea and was going to refilm it, but I thought no. I tried to do the eyeliner on this eye and mucked it up, so I've had to totally redo this eye, eyeshadow and everything, foundation, blah blah blah. So hopefully it looks similar. I think it looks alright overall, but it's not what I was aiming for, but sometimes that just happens. I don't think we're going to match this lipstick, but I'll give it a go. Like I said before, the lipstick I got is in the shade White Walker. It's a lovely vampy red shade. It actually matches my nails. I'll try it on, but it might not match, so if not, we're just going to have to deal with it. No, that definitely doesn't match. Oh well. I've never actually tried Urban Decay lipsticks before, so this will be interesting. I wish I'd got the Sansa Stark one, but like the eyeliner, it was sold out. Do you know what? I'm gonna get a lip brush because knowing my luck, I'm gonna muck it up. Can I just say, like, actually nothing is going right. Can't find my lip brush, so we're just dealing with another one. Okay, so that's the lipstick on. I really like the formula. Like I said, I hadn't tried any Urban Decay lipsticks before this, and I think this was really creamy. It's a comfort matte, so for a matte lipstick it's actually sitting on my lips really nicely. It's not clinging to my dry patches very much at all, and it feels quite moisturising on the lips. So yeah, I might do another one of these videos in the future, just so that we can try and do a different look that's not a fail. Maybe I could do a look with the blue next time. I'll just need to wait and see what happens. I'm seriously needing to just go to bed because nothing is going right. Hope you guys enjoyed anyway with me testing out the new Urban Decay Game of Thrones eyeshadow palette and the lipstick and eyeliner. If you've got anything from this collection, let me know down below. If you did enjoy, please thumbs up the video, it really means a lot to me, and subscribe down below. Hopefully things will go right in my next video. Bye.
I won't make it easy for you.